Oh my god, it's me reacting to this, and now we're not making that and making 18K a month. That's pretty cool. So cash flow is at 26, 27 almost. Come on, it's like $101 away. It's fucked up. These are growth update, weekly update. Yeah. YouTube comment Q&A. Let's check those YouTube comments. Unsubbed, disliked, 7 likes is not okay. Never mind. Stats. Already showed the stats. Pretty good. I think engagement needs to go up in here, but that's pretty much it. And what I'm cooking. Oh yeah, I forgot to go for YouTube stats. So more views than last week, which is good. Watch time also more than last week. And no subscribers though, bro. What the hell? Impressions lower, which is interesting. But click through rate. I've been focusing a lot more on thumbnails. Thumbnail every video except one. And if I do this to this, if it works. So last week it was 1.1 and now 1.9. It's pretty good, pretty good. I don't really understand some things, like how, for example, this performed terribly in terms of the thumbnail. Like 0.4 makes no fucking sense, bro. And then if I do something like this, which is a fucking meme with school in it, and it has a 4.3, like what the, how does that cook? I don't get it. Me professional equal bad makes sense, I guess, for me. Checks out, you know. And cooking. So cooking a lot this week. I'm basically gonna do an agency model, and yeah, gonna sign someone on tomorrow, I think, for 500 a month, which is good for one-on-one coaching and WhatsApp support. And then that's gonna roll over to more done for you solutions because they just signed on with somebody else for something. And we're cooking with the about page. We're going to start running ads to this community, and then we're going to hop on call with people, do a one-on-one constraint on it. Excuse me. And if I feel like I can help, probably book them onto another call where we talk about how I could help with school. And then my friend, which is letting ads off, Evelyn Mice, the goat of ads on school, he's going to run ads for them. It'll probably be multi-four figures, higher end, for 3 months. And I'm thinking of doing some sort of cohort with scarcity and urgency to like 6 people. I'm unsure because it is so like so many people could go with different options of like how much they want done in terms of the school stuff. So if someone does one-on-one coaching only, for example, right, I could take on 20 of those clients and it's fucking chilling. But if someone wants done for you stuff, then it's kind of hard for me to actually do that with more than 5-10 clients. So that's up in there. But this is cooking. Going to start running ads tomorrow, which I can report on. I'm going to have a tracker and everything like that. But going to get this to 10K a month soonish. I'm unsure about how to do these motherfucking the classroom. So currently, I love that they added this feature, bro. It's so good. Oh, this is supposed to be private. Ignore that. So it's gonna be like $3. So it's like people that have a card on file are so much more likely to close. And private course, which you only unlock by hopping on a call with me. But I actually don't know what's gonna be in here or what's gonna be in here. Because I'm not the type of guy that's gonna sit down here and make a course that's fucking yay hours long, you know. It's just so that's I'm unsure about that. But leave some questions below and we'll see what we cook next week. Goodbye.